Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to write about arctanx of x. The graph should be like this. Because the question they want to find the area of the first quadrant. So first quadrant that's in here. And now we have y equals to b over 4 and s equal to number 0. So s equal to number 0, that's in here. Y equal to number 4, y equal to b over 4 should be in here. So they want to find this area in here. Now, to calculate about this one, we can put about y equal to b over 4 go in here to find the value of s in here. We need to find the intersection. So if we put y equal to b over 4 equal to arctanx of s, we can find the value of this one. That's about we put tan for the both sides. And this one you got about s tan of b over 4 you got about 1. So this intersection here, that's about 1. Now we want to find this area, so we see that y equal to b over 4. This is about upper, and the curve in here, this is about lower. So in this situation, we can find about the integration. We start from 0 in here to number 1. Upper, that's about b over 4. And lower, that's about arctanx of s. The s. And this is the area. Now, I will concentrate about how to find the integral of arctanx of s. So in this one, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equal to arctanx of s. If we do first derivative, we have the s over 1 plus s squared. The v equals to the s. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v. So that should be about s arctanx of s minus the integration du multiplied by v. So we have s ds over 1 plus s squared. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 1 plus s squared. Because if we do first derivative of this one, you return back to this one in here with 1 over 2. And we put about c. Now, we return back to this one. the integration of this one in here, you got about b over 4 multiplied by s. The integration of arctanx of s, we just have this one in here. We put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 go in here, number 0 go in here. So we calculate and you have b over 4 minus, open the parenthesis, b over 4. Because arctanx of number 1 you got about b over 4, this one you got about 1, so we just have b over 4 in here, minus negative 1 over 2 ln of number 2, minus, if we put 0 in here, here, everything equal to number 0. Now we simplify about this one, b over 4 minus b over 4, they cancel, negative with negative. So you got about positive 1 over 2 ln of number 2. And this is the answer for question in here. We know that this is about the one way to calculate. Now I will go to the second way. About the second way, we have y equal to arctanx of s. Now we put tan for the both sides. This one you got about s, and this one we have tan of y. Now if we look on the graph, we can see that this one is about lower, and now the curve in here is about upper. Because now we go to about s function, not y function anymore. So this is about lower, and this one should be about upper. So we say that we start from 0 to b over 4, and we see that upper that's about this one, and the lower that's about s equal to number 0, and we have the area equal to the integration from 0 to b over 4, and we have upper is about tan y minus lower that's about number 0 dy, and we know that tan y that's about sine y over cosine y. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine y, and we put the bounds from 0 to b over 4. So we put b over 4 gone here, number 0 gone here. For this one, we have the square root of number 2 over 2. This one you have ln number 1, you got about 0 in here. So for this one, I can write like this. Because I just apply the formula ln A minus ln B equal to ln of A over B. But we have a negative sign in here. That's why you got about negative and positive in here. The next one, ln of the square root of number 2 represent into number 2 to the power of 1 over 2. So we put 1 over 2 gone here. and we simplify, and you got about 1 over 2 ln number 2, and this is the second technique to calculate about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.